In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1, H. And their use in sentences. Number 1 word is say. Second form, said. Third, said. Fourth, saying. Sentences. Listen to me what I say. Whatever he says is not true. Second form, said. He said nothing about the matter. Third form, said. What the witness has said might be the truth. Please note what they are saying. Number 2, sit. Second form, sat. Third, sat. Fourth, sitting. Sentences. I sit in my office till the afternoon. She usually sits in the garden of her house. Second form, sat. Yesterday I sat in my office for an hour, then went home. Third form, sat. They have sat there for 2 hours. Fourth form, sitting. I have been sitting here for an hour. Number 3, sew. Second form, sewed. Third, sewn. Fourth, sewing. Sentences. They sew clothes of others. Second form, sewed. She sewed her own clothes. Third form, sewn. They have sewn 2 suits for now. Fourth form, sewing. She has been sewing clothes for earning money. Number 4, seek. Second form, sought. Third, sought. Fourth, seeking. Sentences. When you seek something, you might find it. He always seeks my advice. They seek fame by going to the public places. Sought. Second form. They sought their lost dog, but couldn't find. Sought. Third form. I have sought my favorite book many times. Fourth form, seeking. She has been seeking a new job since she resigned from here. Number 5, slave. Second form, slew. Third, slain. Fourth, slaying. They slay a dangerous wild animal. Second form, slew. They slew the wild animal because it wanted to kill humans. Third form, slain. The hero was has slain the chief villain. Fourth form, slaying. He has been slaying the cruel villains to save people. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.